Hello my friends, it's Miss Rachel and I'm here with another Tween Tuesday, and today we are going to learn how to loom knit with a cardboard tube. So you're going to need a cardboard tube. This is just a regular toilet paper roll tube thing. You could also use a paper towel roll and just cut it down, be a little large. You could use a Reynolds wrap tube, any kind of cardboard tube you have, roughly this size, just so it makes things easier for you. So you're also going to need a couple of popsicle sticks. So you're going to need 4 popsicle sticks. You're going to need some sort of either tape, probably stronger than regular tape like this, like duct tape or masking tape, whatever kind of tape you have, or glue, either way. And we are going to create a loom out of it. So this is my loom that I've already created. So what you're gonna do is just take your toilet paper tube and take your popsicle sticks, and you're gonna wanna put them about a little higher than the tube so it sticks out, just like this. And you want 4 of them, 1 in every direction. So you're gonna do that, you're gonna do that, and you just either glue them into place or use duct tape, any kind of thing you want. You're also going to want either a bead or a button to place at the end, because this will help with the yarn not sliding off of your popsicle stick. So once you've got your loom looking somewhat like this, I glued it, I've taped it, and then I just glued little googly eyes on it just to stop the string from moving. You don't have to do this, it just makes it a lot easier for yourself. So now I am going to switch my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. Oh, you're also going to need some yarn. So any old yarn would do, and we're gonna learn how to loom knit, and we're gonna create these cool little tassel-y kind of fun things. You can turn it into a bracelet, you can make it long and use it as a doll scarf, you can make friendship bracelets, you can even tie it on your backpack and just have this cool little snake thing. Whatever you want to do. So without further ado, I'm going to switch my view around so that we can get started. Alright, I'll see you in a minute. Alright, welcome back my friends. So, how we're going to start off our loom knitting is we're going to take our piece of string, our yarn here, and we're going to feed it through our tube so that we have some yarn sticking out at the end of the tube. So all you're going to do is just grip it lightly and hold our tube like so. So now, this is a little bit of a tricky part, but I believe in you. So you're going to take your yarn here and you're going to wrap it around your cardboard, your popsicle stick like so, and then you're going to cross over under behind the other popsicle stick like so. You create this little line and you're going to wrap your yarn around that popsicle stick. And then you're going to go behind the next one and you're going to wrap it like so. And you're just going to twist your loom while you're wrapping around your popsicle sticks. And then before you know it, you will have ended up right back where you started. So here's kind of what it looks like right now. So now we are going to take our yarn. So here's where we started, right here. I'm going to take our yarn and lay it across this popsicle stick. And I just like to to grab it with my other fingers just to keep it out of the way. All you're gonna do is pull the bottom yarn over the top yarn. And then this is the tail, so you're just gonna pull your tail a little bit tighter. And then you're gonna go on to the next one. And you're gonna pull your yarn over the other yarn and wrap and drop it behind your popsicle stick. So it looks like that. So then you're gonna do the next one. You're gonna lay it over this popsicle stick. You're gonna grab this bottom yarn and you're going to pull it over the popsicle stick and off. And then you're gonna do the next one. You're gonna pull this bottom one over the top one behind the popsicle stick and then just let it go. And you're gonna just keep doing that. And if you want to tighten up your thing, all you gotta do is just pull on your tail here. And you're just gonna keep doing this, pulling it over. This is why you want like a bead or a stopper, something on the end of your popsicle stick to keep it from just sliding off completely. You can also grab like a little pointy tool if you need and use that to pull it over. But your fingers work just as well. I'm gonna use my pokey tool. I find it a little bit easier just for myself personally. So all you're gonna do is just gonna keep pulling the bottom one over the top one. You're gonna wrap it. You're gonna place it over above this one. You're gonna take the bottom one and pull it over. That's all you're doing. So take this bottom piece, pull it over the top piece.
Take this bottom piece over the top piece. Bottom piece over the top piece. And you're just going to keep doing this until you get, see, it's already starting to become this cool thing. So just bottom piece over the top piece and just push it kind of down. Bottom piece over the top piece and push it down. Bottom piece over the top piece and push it down. And while you're just twisting your roll, bottom piece over the top piece. Bottom piece over the top piece. Bottom piece over and around the top piece. Over and around. And you're just going to keep on doing this. So, nice relaxing habit here. Over the top. And over the top. Twist it around. Over the top. And you're just going to keep doing this until you get it as long as you want it. So, I'm just going to keep doing this motion. Over the top. Over the top. And over the top. And over the top. Just keep pulling out more yarn. You're just going to keep putting the bottom piece over the top piece. 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 You can use a little barbecue skewer to do this part. You can use your fingers. You can find some sort of pokey tool like I've got. I would suggest a sewing needle. That's kind of small. And I think you'd probably poke yourself. But just pull over the top. Over. And you can pull on your bottom string. And you're starting to get this cool design here. It looks kind of like a spider web. So all you're going to keep doing is pull the bottom piece over the top piece. Yeah, I'll do a couple of my fingers this time. Bottom piece over the top piece. Bottom piece over the top piece. Bottom piece over the top. Bottom piece over the top piece. I got a little snag on that one. But bottom piece over the top piece. Bottom piece over the top piece. And bottom piece over the top piece. This would be really cool to have color changing yarn. That'd be fun. Or nice little ombre kind of yarn, rainbow yarn. You can make many different kinds of yarns if you want. You can do fluffy yarn. It might be a little hard to see, but you can probably do it. Or nice velvet yarn. You can change up however you want with this stuff. Over the top. And over the top. This is just the yarn I had on hand. But I think if you use bigger popsicle sticks, you could probably get like a bigger size bracelet. I don't know, I have to try that one out. I don't think I have any jumbo size craft sticks right now. So maybe you guys have some at home. Or you can just pick some up at Walmart or wherever you get craft supplies. They're fairly cheap. Or maybe if you just have popsicles, then you can just eat 4 of them, or have your family eat 4 of them. And you can do this. And you don't have to limit it to just 4. Once you get the basic gist of this, you can make a bigger tube and make bigger projects. And you can use bigger popsicle sticks or more popsicle sticks, or maybe even paint stirrers. That'd be kind of cool. And you can use whatever kind of stuff you have. And you can make your own loom, and you can loom knit your summer away if you so desire. You can make them for friends, maybe teachers, or siblings, parents. You can make them to do keychain holders. You can like tie a key ring at one of the ends and use it as a keychain holder. You can do all sorts of fun stuff with this. So you're just limited by your creation, your creativity. So here, as you can see, whoop, there we go. You can see I'm pulling my thing, and it's getting kind of long here. So I'm going to do a little bit longer, and then I will teach you how to bind off your creation, so it'll stay that way forever. So I'm going to do one more round here, and I'll teach you the fine art of binding off your beautiful creations. Okay, I think I'm going to stop here. So, bottom piece over the top. Bottom piece over the top piece. I got a little snag on that one. But bottom piece over the top piece. Bottom piece over the top piece. And bottom piece over the top piece. This would be really cool to have color changing yarn. That'd be fun. Or nice little ombre kind of yarn, rainbow yarn. You can make many different kinds of yarns if you want. You can do fluffy yarn. It might be a little hard to see, but you can probably do it. Or nice velvet yarn. You can change up however you want with this stuff. Over the top. And over the top. This is just the yarn I had on hand. But I think if you use bigger popsicle sticks, you could probably get like a bigger size bracelet. I don't know, I have to try that one out. I don't think I have any jumbo size craft sticks right now. So maybe you guys have some at home. Or you can just pick some up at Walmart or wherever you get craft supplies. They're fairly cheap. Or maybe if you just have popsicles, then you can just eat 4 of them, or have your family eat 4 of them. And you can do this. And you don't have to limit it to just 4. Once you get the basic gist of this, you can make a bigger tube and make bigger projects. And you can use bigger popsicle sticks or more popsicle sticks, or maybe even paint stirrers. That'd be kind of cool.
So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my working end of my yarn attached to this lovely ball, and I'm going to take my pair of scissors here, and I'm just going to cut a long tail, just like so. So there it is. I've got a nice lovely tail here. So now all I'm going to do is take my yarn, my end of my yarn here, and I'm going to put it through this loop right here. So this next loop, I'm going to put it through like so. So it's hanging out, and all I'm going to do is pull it through and take this loop off, and then just pull it off. I'm going to do the same thing with the next one. I'm going to take my yarn, I'm going to put it through this loop, just like so, kind of like you're sewing it off. And all you're going to do is take it off the thing, off the popsicle stick, and pull it. And then you do the next one. And then take your yarn, put it underneath your loop, and you can use a sewing needle with this. That'd make it a little easier. I don't really have a sewing needle. Maybe you don't have sewing needles. That's okay. And then the last one, put it underneath your loop here. And then just pull it off the loom. And then all you're gonna do, tighten it up, is just give it a little tug. And there we go. We have our finished loom creation. And you can cut your tail ends to whatever size. You can make it a bracelet if you decide. You can make it really long and make it a doll scarf. You can do the keychain thing like I suggested. Whatever you want to do. So this is your project. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll switch back to myself in just a minute. Okay, hello my friends, I'm back. Here's my little loom knit creation that I just made. So, all I'm gonna do is just cut my tails, just so I've got this nice little bracelet type thing. Like so, and here we go. And that's all I do. That's all you do. So you can tie it and make it a bracelet. You could make it really long and make it a necklace or a scarf. You can do the keychain thing like I suggested. So there we go. And oh, beautiful. It's me perfectly. You can make like 1,000 of different colors of this. Whatever you want to do. It is your project. So I hope you had fun. I had fun making this. Honestly, they're really fun, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.